Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 no sound problem. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound. Right-click Disable, then Enable. Check Show Disabled Devices and also check Show Disconnected Devices. Select Speaker, click Set Default. Click Properties. Click Levels tab, disable and then enable speaker icon. Click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.